Hello, it's your girl Gigi Jones here, and I am back with a video. Long time no see. Oh my gosh, so I received a letter from GoGo Kids this morning, and it says, "Dear teachers, this letter is to inform you that as of August 5th, 2021, GoGo Kid will suspend the curriculum offered to all Chinese students. This decision is in light of the recent educational policy revisions in China. All classes starting on August 5th. Yeah, so this letter came out yesterday at 8:50 p.m. August 4th at 8:50 p.m. Anyway, yeah, let's continue. All classes starting on August 5th will be canceled from the system. Your remaining July classes will be paid no later than August 15th, and those of August will be paid no later than August 31st. Your continued support and partnership mean more than you know. If there is anything more for which you may require our assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Sincerely, GoGo Kid." All right, so that puts a lot of people in a bind, right? Because a lot of teachers depend on the Chinese companies to make ends meet. It provides a way for moms to stay home with their kids and still provide for their families. And this is just not a good scenario, because if it hits one Chinese company, it's going to hit them all. And it's not to say that they're closing down completely. Maybe they just have to make some changes to their curriculum. Or I think I read also where maybe they have to change their profit to nonprofit status. It's a lot going on there. Also, there are other companies that I heard has been affected. PayPal, for example, not PayPal, Palfish, cut pay for teachers and reduced their staff. They're now only hiring Chinese teachers to teach the English classes. Hey Talk is able to hire foreign teachers still. That's a good thing. I haven't heard of Hey Talk before, but this was one that one of my friends sent me. First Future announced a hiring freeze. Zebra English just canceled all future workshops, and all teacher management staff has been let go. Okay, so I'm also contracted with VIP Kid. I haven't received any emails from them as of yet. I am also with Q Kids, which I love. I love Q Kids. However, they're not hiring at the moment, but I am also contracted with a company that is out of Israel, and it's with the eTeacherGroup, and I teach for the Langaroo campus. Now they have different campuses. They have several campuses. Langaroo basically deals with kids 6 to 12, and then they have like a junior curriculum as well. They are available for you. I got my referral link down below. I put it in the descriptions. They also have Highway to English for adults, and the great thing about eTeacherGroup is that it's global, right? It's international. I've taught kids in Denmark, Saudi Arabia, Israel, Argentina, like all over the country. So another thing that I love about eTeacherGroup is that I don't have to do the early morning hours like with the Chinese companies. My hours range from, depending on the day, starting at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock and ending anywhere between 2 or 3 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so if you're in PST, Pacific Standard Time, or Mountain Standard Time, Central Standard Time, this may be an option for you as well. Okay, with that being said, wish the best of luck to all of my fellow contracted with Chinese company teachers. The best of luck. You will get through this. This is just a bump in the road. If you have any questions, please link them down in the comments, and I will try to answer your questions about eTeacherGroup or working for Langaroo. All right, my friends, have a wonderfully blessed day. Remember, don't worry, trust God. It's all gonna work out for the good. All right, bye-bye, y'all.